Hello friends. So many of you asking me where I'm staying in Manali. So here I'm staying. I just show you the property. So here it's almost 2 months and it's a very good property. So I just show you the property. So this is Pause at Manali. You can book this property on any of the online portal, booking.com or anywhere on MMT. So this is the parking space basically. It has a very good open space to park. That's my car, Quid, my beast. And you can see there is a good parking space over here. That's the reception. That's one. So let's go inside. So this property is very spacious basically. That's why I think I'm enjoying staying here. So on the ground floor, this is the space, very much open space. And from here, this is the view. So it has a garden as well, a small garden. So from there you can come down to the stairs, and here is a small garden, and that is also that's first floor, also a part of this hotel. So I show you my room first, then I show you the other rooms. My room is quite messy, so you can just ignore it. So this is my room. It's a very spacious room. You can see it's a wooden flooring and wooden work on the walls with a view. It's a double bed and view is there. Jabardast, ekdam window view. On the right side also there is a view. So basically it's a very spacious room. It's quite messy right now. Here is my room. So from here in middle there is a common area. So this is the common area. So you can see it's all wooden. There's a good wooden work over here. प्रॉपर यहाँ पे सोफा वगैरह है टू सेट ओवर हियर, और थोड़ी सी एक्सरसाइज भी कर सकते हो. और ये है बेली. हेलो बेली. ही इज वेरी प्लेफुल. सी So this is the common space in between two rooms. Here is also another room where my friend is staying. So you can go to the first floor. It's raining here. Oh. So here it is, the stairs. यहाँ से सीढ़ियों से you can just go to the first floor. And the view from the first floor is amazing. It's a good place basically. So you can just see it's a common dining. So there are rooms like, there are 3 rooms over here. It's the common dining place. And here also you can sit over here. So let's see the view from here. So this room, and on that side it has a big balcony over here. और यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी बड़ी open space है. So I just show you the view from here. It's raining right now, and you can see the view. So basically, this is a very spacious property. I think that was the reason why I have spent so much days here. So if you are coming to Manali, you can try it out once at least, because the hospitality and the service of this property is very good. So on the right side also, it has a good view. This room has this one view, this side view, and that room has that side view. You can just see the view. It's very good. It's cloudy today, otherwise on that side it has snow-capped mountains. So after first floor there is another floor where they have 3 rooms. So I show you. So you can just see first good thing I can see here is the wooden work. You can just see the work over here. So let's go upstairs. Here also it's a dining place. I show you the another room, which is like it has a good view. So you can see the view. You can see this room. It's spacious too, and it's with view. So just you can see the view is amazing from here. So you just wake up in morning and you have this view, and on the right side this is the view. How it is, it's amazing. So you have a good spacious balcony. Now I'll show you the washroom, because सबसे ज़्यादा कंसर्न लोगों को वॉशरूम का होता है, and it is good, spacious, clean. You can see it has a geyser fitting, so you don't have to worry for the hot water. It is nice and clean. So they have a space for your luggage as well. So it has a good space for your luggage. You can see. You can keep your luggage over here. You can keep your luggage over here. And there is a mirror.
sir, how was your stay with Pause at Manali?
तो स्टे व्हाट आई वुड से कि मनाली में मुझे 80 प्लस डेज हो गए और आपकी प्रॉपर्टी पे 60 प्लस डेज, और मैं ये फर्स्ट टाइम है कि आई एम स्टेइंग एट वन प्रॉपर्टी फॉर दिस मच लॉन्ग। सो मुझे नहीं पता कि यहाँ पे मतलब एकदम जैसे घर जैसा एनवायरनमेंट मिला मुझे यहाँ पे। मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इस टाइम पे कि मैं जैसे घर से चाह रहा हूँ, बट वही है कि कहीं से कहीं पहुँचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना पड़ता है। बट यहाँ पे स्टे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, आपकी सर्विस हॉस्पिटैलिटी, और लेट्स सी आगे कभी कब मिलते हैं।
Okay sir, see you soon.
मेरा भी
हाँ जी बोल।
आई वुड से कि मुझे मनाली के बारे में इतना नहीं पता था, या 3 या 4 बार ही आया हूँगा, बट इस एरिया में नहीं आया। तो मुझे लगा सिमसा नाम था इसका, तो मैंने कहा ऐसे कोई गाँव वाँव होगा।
Okay.
लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा लगा ये वन ऑफ द पॉश एरिया पूरे मनाली का, और
Okay.
वेरी रीजनेबल, फैमिली अट्रैक्शन, यूथ अट्रैक्शन, सब कुछ है यहाँ पे। तो इफ यू कम एट मनाली, कम टू पॉज एट मनाली।
Okay.
श्योर यहाँ पे, और खाना भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, और यहाँ से पे एनवायरनमेंट मतलब अगर आप मनाली के सिटी हसल से दूर थोड़ा सा रहना चाहते हो तो सिमसा कान्याल इज़ बेस्ट प्लेस, और पॉज एट मनाली तो बेस्ट है।
Okay. Thank you sir.
ओके,
Thank you and see you soon again. Okay. Bye bye.